Girls, you ready to go potty? We're a little full on eggs. I haven't washed them in about a day or two. That's okay. They are able to sit on the counter. No problem. Once I wash them, though, they need to go in the fridge. So, we'll get probably about 10, 12 eggs. Put them in there and wash them. You girls ready to go potty? Oh, yeah. Boomer. It's the boomer. Boomer! Oh, go girls! Oh, girls! Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I know y'all ready. What's up, everybody? It is I, Austin, the chicken farmer. Here we've got some chickens. Some, big
cocks over here. Nice cock. Perfect.
Yeah, good stuff. It's been awfully windy today. The ducks, they don't know how to utilize. They don't know how to utilize the ramp, so the ducks, they're stuck out here. They embrace the elements. The chickens, however, they're always in the chicken shed where it's much, much warmer. The wind can't get them. And let me tell you, I don't know if you can tell, but it's been a windy day. I got this little wind guard on there. Looks like a puffball. Yeah, we're going in there. We're going to, you know, feed and water the chickens and see how many eggs they got. I do got some bad news for you, though. We did have a hen pass away. Yes, I found her yesterday in one of the chicken lay boxes. So, a moment of silence. Thank you.
In the arms of the angel.
Hi, Lucy. Hi, girls. I know. I'll give you here in a second. Here you go. All right. Oh, sorry. Excuse me. Yep, fresh water. Oh, yeah. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, great protector of the hens. Sir? Yeah, one in there, a couple in there. How doing? Eggs. Thanks, ladies. Oh, 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 oh.